Hello world, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels. If you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you leave a comment as well, and make sure that you actually smash that subscribe button. Tell all your friends and family that you need to join Kenzie Craig Michaels' channel on YouTube. He has lots of great information that you need to know in regards to makeup, skincare, and fragrance info. So if you haven't done so, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell button for future notifications when I upload new content, and you'll be the first to know. So thank you so much for joining me. So hello to the United States, hello to Canada, hello to UK, Ireland, and the rest of Europe, and all around the world. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate all your support on my channel. So today's topic is going to be about eye creams. Yes, we're going to be talking about eye creams. And why we're going to be talking about eye creams is because as a beauty influencer, I feel that eye creams are one of the number one thing that every woman should have in their arsenal of skincare. I've been using eye cream since I was 18 years old, and it has saved my life. And when I say saved my life, I don't mean it saved my life because I had to run from the police or anything crazy like that. It saved my life in regards to the skin area underneath my eyes. So just so everybody knows, the skin underneath your eyes is literally 10 times, that's right, 10 times, viewers, thinner than the rest of your face. And if you don't know that, you can feel, if I was to actually pinch you under the eye, as opposed to pinching you here on the cheek area, you'd probably, ow, slap me to death because it's going to hurt. Ow, it's going to hurt. And that being said, if you pinch yourself under the eye area, you'll feel how tender and you'll feel how thin this eye area is. And that's why you need to protect it. Your eyes, they say are the windows to the soul, the windows to beauty, and you really have to think about that. What is your biggest asset on your body besides, your feet, your arms, and everything else that coordinates, with your immune system is your eyes. So, we need our eyes for vision, but we also need our eyes to make sure that, the skin around it stays supple, that we're actually reducing in the beauty industry. We're reducing fine lines, we're reducing crow's feet, we're reducing puffiness, under eye bags, dark circles. We want to bring the youth factor back to the skin around our eyes. So it's extremely important to have this in your skincare arsenal as the number one product that you should be purchasing. If you don't purchase anything else, I'm telling you, you need an eye cream. Go to your local Shoppers Drug Mart Beauty Boutique in Canada and purchase one, or your local fine department store in the United States or in Europe as well, or in the rest of the world. You can actually purchase them at Sephora and also other places like Ulta Beauty in the United States. So number one thing is to have an eye cream. So you think to yourself, okay, why is he talking about eye cream so much? And I'm talking about eye cream so much because it is my passion. I really believe that eye creams are the number one things that actually save your skin from degradation, free radical damage, pollution, anything that's going to physically attack your skin. So when I'm referring to using an eye cream, I talk about it as being almost like an invisible shield that protects the delicate skin area around the eye area. So when we talk about eye creams, I'm going to be talking about what are the top 4 luxury brand eye creams currently on the market. Now, when you start to use an eye cream, people say, I don't need to use an eye cream. I'm only 20 years old. I'm only 25 years old. I'm only 35 years old, and I don't need that right now. Yes, you do. Because if you don't start when you're young, what happens is that your skin actually decays at a faster, more accelerated rate than some of your friends. Did you ever look at one of your friends at the same age as you and go, ooh, girl, I don't know what's going on with your skin, but they're not using skincare on a regular basis. Their skin lacks luster as well. It lacks the youth factor that is coming back into their skin. They're actually not doing anything to their skin to bring that life, that, joyous youth back. So number one is to use an eye cream. We'll be discussing a whole whack of other products as well on my channel that you should be using for skincare as well. But my number one recommendation is to use an eye cream. So eye creams help with puffiness, dark circles, lines and wrinkles, dehydration, And basically, you know what, whatever your target is that you're trying to achieve. So if you're trying to reduce puffiness, find an eye cream for puffiness. If you're trying to reduce dark circles and bags, find one from dark circles and bags. And if you're a teenager, you should start when you're 17, 18 years old to start preserving your skin and keep it at the same state. So depending on what your age is, and you can look at some of your friends and you can say, well, you know what, this individual, even a man, you can say, you know, he's 30, I'm 30, but he's got tons more crow's feet around his eyes than I do. You know what, he's not using an eye cream. He's not using the skincare that he needs to get the best results. So with that being said, I'm going to discuss with you what I believe. Now, this is just my personal opinion for being in cosmetics for over 20 years, what the most important 4 luxury brand products are, starting with number 1. Number 1 product on the market for puffiness, dark circles, under eye bags, free radical damage for pollution, paraben-free, sulfate-free is the Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Repair Eye Cream. It's a gel cream texture, super silky underneath the eyes. You're going to use it in a tapping motion like so, and you're going to come around the contour area of the eye and up to where the crow's feet are onto the outer edge of the eye area. And you're going to do that through the same on the other side of the eye and onto the lid and the contour area. That's how you apply an eye cream. And a little bit goes a long way. So if you're looking at the price tag of an eye cream and say, oh my gosh, I can't afford that, divide it out by 3 months. Take the price of an eye cream or whatever skincare product you're purchasing. So say it's, you know, $100 or $50 or whatever, divide it out by how long that product's gonna last, and you will be surprised that sometimes the product that you're purchasing is gonna cost you 40 cents a day, 50 cents a day, 75 cents a day to get the full benefit from it. So number 1 is Lancome's Advanced Genifique Gel Cream Eye Cream. Number 2 is Lancome's Multi-Action Renergie Firming and Lifting Eye Cream. Now this is a much thicker, richer texture. So you also have to think about what you prefer as texture as well. Some people like gel creams, some people like gels, some people like super duper heavy creams because their skin is super dry. It's super needing of hydration and for those moisture lipids to be built back up into the skin. The Renergie Multi-Action cream from Lancome is amazing. It's truly an amazing eye cream for puffiness, dark circles, lines and wrinkles, dehydration, but it actually helps to firm and lift the skin. So this is not a product that you're going to use if you're 20. This is not a product that you're going to use if you're 30. We're going to say 40 years plus for this product. Advanced Genifique, you know what? I'm actually using Advanced Genifique, and that I would say would be anywhere from 30 to say 48 years old. And we're going to talk about a couple of other products as well. So this one in particular does help with the firming and lifting and boosting the elastin and collagen to the skin with a formulation of peptides to plump up the eye area. So that's number 1. Number 2, Advanced Genifique. Number 2, Renergie Multi-Action Eye Cream. The Advanced Genifique sells for $82 Canadian. Renergie sells for $99 Canadian, much cheaper in the US because you don't have our lovely Canadian taxes. And number 3 is going to be, drumroll, the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex, which is supercharged. So, and when we talk about eye creams, most eye creams do have tocopherol acetate, and most of them have, you know, fruit extract and tocopherol acetate, which is vitamin E, in them as well to hydrate the skin. And you want to make sure that you're purchasing eye creams, like I said, that are suitable. So if you're actually someone who's young, you're going to purchase something that is relatable to your skin type, whether you're all skin types, normal to dry, or very oily. You want to make sure that you pick that particular eye cream group. So you need to start at a young age and keep escalating that until you actually get to the top, which would be an anti-aging, you know, youth regenerating eye cream, and much more. So the Estee Lauder one that's actually on the market right now is a gel texture formulation. Now, when I say gel, I'm not referring just to puffiness. This product has a lot of bang for its buck. It is $82 Canadian, and it actually has just been reformulated to help with blue light from your iPhone and from your iPad as well. It actually helps with puffiness, it helps with under eye bags, lines, fine lines, dehydration, dryness, dullness of the skin. It is truly a fantastic product. So if you haven't checked that one out, please free to Google search it and find out everything you can about the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Supercharged Complex. I know, it's basically like, it's a handful of words and they just could have called it a much simpler name, but that's what it's called. And so that's number 3. So we have Lancome number 1, Lancome number 2, Estee Lauder number 3, and 4th coming in is Clinique. As you know, and most of these eye creams, well, I would say most of the eye creams, 100% of the eye creams on the market are ophthalmologist tested, dermatologist tested, and some of them do have fragrance in them. So if you are sensitive to fragrance, this is something that you're going to have to, think to yourself, do I want fragrance in my eye cream? Personally, it doesn't bother my skin, and I do have sensitive skin. So that's something that you as an individual is going to have to determine. So you're going to research and find out in the ingredient list if there's anything that says fragrance on it. So Clinique, as you know, is all 100% hyperallergenic. It's allergy tested, it's dermatology tested, and it's ophthalmologist tested as well. And we're referring to, I keep saying we, like there's 2 of me here. I'm referring to the Clinique Repair Wear Laser Focus. Now, what's specifically great about this product is not only does it help with puffiness, dark circles, lines and wrinkles, dehydration, fine lines, bringing back that youthful factor, repairing the eye area, that thin, 10 times thinner than the rest of the face eye area. What's great about this is the price point. The price point for 15 mils, and that being a note too, is that most eye creams on the market are 15 mils. And you think, 15 mils? That's not going to last me a long time. Actually, it does. Most eye creams will last 2.5 to 3 months. Some of them will last longer than that, just depending. Now, Clinique has on the market with the Repair Wear Laser Focus eye cream. They have 2 different sizes, which is a great, fantastic deal. So if you're just new and you want to try something, I would recommend Clinique as, being maybe your starter to go to if you're in your, late 30s to 40s and you want to have something that's not so as expensive as $82 or $88. But they do have their 15 mil laser repair focus on for $62 Canadian. Like I said, much cheaper in the US. And they have a 30 mil size, which is a fantastic deal. And I believe it's around $82, $84 Canadian. So research that as well. But those are my top 4 picks for best eye creams on the market. I hope that you understand that, make sure you wear your sun goggles as well. Big sunglasses to prevent any sun damage on the outer corners of where the crow's feet actually happen. Make sure you're wearing big sunglasses with an anchor on either side that protects this area of the eye area. So you really, really want to concentrate on that ocular region. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed my little update on eye creams, and please subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment if you have ever experienced these eye creams, and I'll be back with more. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone, and have a fantastic Wednesday.